guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Young Holyfield, ang boksingerong anak ni legendary Evander Holyfield. Lumaban kahapon sa Amerika. Undercard sila ng labang Sergey Kovalev versus Tervil Pulev. Kinukonsiderang young prospect itong si Ivan. May tangkad na 6'2", edad na 24 at may impresibong kartada na 9 wins, 0 loss, 6 dito via KO. Kahapon ay nilabanan niya ang isang di kilalang boksingero, si Jermaine McDonald, na tubong Amerika din. May di kagandahang record itong si McDonald na 6 wins, 5 losses at 2 sa kanyang panalo ay via KO. 32 na ang edad at may tangkad lang na 5'7". At ayon pa sa yahoonews.com, isa umanong part-time boxer at full-time electrician itong si McDonald. Kaya naman sa pustahan ay talagang sobrang liyamado nitong si Young Holyfield. Dagdag mo pa na si Evander Holyfield ang kanyang ama. Isa lang sana itong tune a fight para sa bata pa niyang karera at dagdag koleksyon na din sana para sa malinis niyang kartada. Pero ang inaakalang easy fight lang sa kanya ay naging isang tila bangungot ang naging resulta. Bagsak na una ang mukha ni Young Holy sa ibabaw ng lona mula sa isang kanan na tumama sa kanyang panga. Sinubukan pa naman niyang tumayo pero wala na, nanghina na ang kanyang mga paa. Pati mga komentator ay tila di makapaniwala sa kanilang nakita. Bagsak ang batang prospect at undefeated fighter mula sa isang kamao ng isang electrician at part-time boxer. Sabay nating tignan ang highlights ng kanilang laban.
KO in his DNA! KO in his DNA! KO in his DNA! From Atlanta, Georgia, Young Holyfield! Mouthpiece. Fighter 2 seconds. Mouthpiece. All right, gentlemen, receive the instruction. Here for you. Legal punches. Here for you. Touch gloves. That's the both of you.
Evan Holyfield, young Holy, 9-0, looking to get to 10-0. I like how Lupe Contreras said, with KO in his DNA. I like how Lupe Contreras said, with KO in his DNA. That was eloquent. And speaking of eloquent, he even said about Jermaine McDonald. Look at that. He's a wordsmith, I must say, but we have 6 rounds or less between Evan Holyfield and Jermaine McDonald. Ray Flores, AC Cassiani, Roxy Diaz, Sean Wheelock here at the Kia Forum. Like the jab to start off for Evan Holyfield. I gotta say, from a physique standpoint, Evan Holyfield is absolutely shredded.
Exactly the way he needs to, keeping this fight on the end of the jab. And I've heard that that's what Mike Stafford has been working on. So what you want to see out of a young guy that's coming into a sport late is him utilizing the skills that are being taught to him.
Set the tone, set the tempo. I like from Evan, he brought them hands right back. You see his hands are up. Feeling strong, move forward. Let's see what he's got. Let's go.
Well, in the amateurs, he had 80-plus bouts. He went to the semis of U.S. Nationals. Started off boxing at age 11. But before he took on boxing, he was actually involved in Taekwondo.
Was ranked NFL. He was a Taekwondo champion. So it's pretty much, as long as you train, you can fine-tune Evan to be any kind of athlete.
Tell you what, I mean, obviously, he's not his dad. We don't see that out of him right now, but we see a lot of promise. Again, a guy being patient and looking for the shots and throwing those shots. Just saw a great.
So this is the 5th undefeated fighter that Jermaine McDonald has been in the ring with. He's been 6 rounds just 1 time. But McDonald is sort of sitting back and waiting to try to find some openings. Evan Holyfield is being more the aggressor, but in a very smart fashion.
Very tactical boxing right now from Evan. You see right there being really responsible defensively to McDonald. And I don't think he wants to come down to McDonald's to his height. I think that if anything, that would be a disadvantage for Evan. He's using the jab, like he is right now.
Measuring his distance. Evan's measuring right now.
Hey, see, don't ever tell me you don't know nothing about boxing.
I said I didn't know too much.
Let's see if we can get a slammo or two along the way. There's a slammo to the top of the head of Jermaine McDonald. A whammo, slammo. We got garbanzo beans, we got the bonsai, and we got Triller Verse 5 coming your way from the legendary Kia Forum.
He wasn't trying to
Go to Evan. Don't stay on the outside of that reach that Evan has.
As soon as Evan Holyfield got to the corner, right away Mike Stafford, being the disciplinarian that he is, he goes, why are you following him around? This guy doesn't want to fight. Don't follow him around like that. That's the tough love that I love that Mike Stafford is displaying and telling Evan Holyfield.
That's who Mike has always been. Again, I've known Mike Stafford, Mr. Stafford.
Now keep in mind, this is a 6-round fight. So you only have but a certain amount of time to measure out and then pick up the pace. It's not like you have 3 or 4 rounds. So you felt them out in the first round, now let's time to pick up the pace. Round 2.
That's what that sense of urgency from Mike Stafford is, huh?
Yup, he's letting him know. He's thinking for his fighter.
You're an expert, man. They don't need me here tonight. They don't need me.
Hey, look, it's a family affair, guys. We got lineage of
But the ways of doing things that are very unorthodox that guys that have experience don't expect.
Evan Holyfield looking to unload that right hand. Oh, big shot! Holyfield, he got knocked down face first. Oh my goodness, this one's over.
It's over.
A knockout upset victory.
What an
for the
upset.
Fighting Electrician with an electrifying knockout over Evan Holyfield. Ramifications to Evan Holyfield from the California State Athletic Commission.
Andy Foster runs one of the best commissions in the United States here in California. I don't think referee Raul Kais Jr. is going to be that bothered. Now, in theory, there could be a suspension, there could be a purse deduction, a monetary fine. I think that will be chalked up to just frustration, heat of the moment. I had him winning round number 1, 10-9, although it was close. He was getting off with the jab. I thought he was narrowly winning round 2, but he was dusted with that right hand. And again, you can see his frustration in the upset.
Well, how about Jefferson City, Missouri? Stand up for the Fighting Electrician, Jermaine McDonald, who upsets Evan Holyfield here tonight. He was a massive underdog coming into the fight, but it didn't bother him all week. He was so relaxed.
1 minute, 56 seconds of round number 2, your winner, by way of KO, the Fighting Electrician, Jermaine McDonald.
He'll look to unload that right hand. Oh, McDonald! Holyfield!
His jaw.
This one's over!
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.